Hello, my friends. It's so nice to see you today. Now, I have a very important question for you. How's the weather? Yes, I know. People love talking about the weather. If you don't know what to say in English, just talk about the weather. It's the world's safest topic. No arguments, no drama, just, wow, it's sunny, or, oh, it's raining again. And today, we're going to learn some easy, fun English words and phrases so you can talk about the weather like a native speaker. So, grab your umbrella or your sunglasses and let's get started. Okay, so why should we learn weather words? Well, because the weather is everywhere. We see it when we wake up, we talk about it with our friends, we check it before we go outside. And here's a secret. Talking about the weather is the easiest way to start a conversation. It's like the hello of small talk. Imagine you meet someone new. You can just say, "It's sunny today, isn't it?" And boom, you're having a conversation. It's also useful when you travel. You can tell people, "It's hot in my country," or ask, "What's the weather like here?" So, learning these words will make your daily English easier, more natural, and maybe even a little fun. Let's listen to a short conversation. Two friends are talking about the weather. Listen carefully and see how we use the words.
Hi, Emma. How's the weather today?
Hi, Jack. It's sunny and warm, perfect for a walk.
Oh, nice. Yesterday was so rainy.
Yes, I know. I almost needed a boat to get to the shop.
True. I stayed inside and watched a movie.
Good idea. Rainy days are perfect for movies, and maybe a cup of hot chocolate.
Oh, yes, that's the best. So, what are you doing today?
I'm going to the park later. Maybe I'll take a book and read in the sun.
That sounds relaxing.
How about you? Any plans?
I might go for a bike ride this afternoon. If it stays sunny, of course.
Fingers crossed. The weather can change so fast here.
I know. Last week it was sunny in the morning and then stormy in the afternoon.
Yes, I got caught in that storm. My umbrella almost flew away.
Well, I hope today stays sunny for both of us.
Me too. Enjoy your bike ride, Jack.
Thanks. Have a nice time at the park.
Will do. See you later.
See you.
All right, my friends, let's learn 10 common weather words you can use every day. We'll go step by step. I'll tell you the word, the meaning, and give you an easy example. Ready? Let's go. 1. Sunny. Sunny means the sun is shining and there are no or very few clouds in the sky. Example, it's sunny today. Don't forget your sunglasses or you'll walk around squinting like this all day. 2. Rainy. Rainy means it is raining, with water falling from the sky. Example, it's rainy this afternoon. Perfect weather for tea and staying in your pajamas. 3. Cloudy. Cloudy means the sky is full of clouds. Example, it's cloudy but warm. It looks like the clouds are having a big meeting up there. Word number 4, windy. Windy means there is a lot of wind moving the air around. It's windy near the beach. Careful, your hat might go on an adventure without you. Number 5, snowy. Snowy means snow is falling from the sky or the ground is covered in snow. It's snowy in the mountains. Snow means hot chocolate and snowmen. Yes, please. Number 6, hot. Hot means the temperature is high and it feels warm or even uncomfortable. It's hot in the summer. The kind of hot where ice cream becomes soup in 10 seconds.
7, cold. Cold means the temperature is low and you might need warm clothes. Example, it's cold in the winter. Time for the big fluffy coat and maybe 2 scarves. 8, stormy. Stormy means there is a lot of wind, rain, and sometimes thunder and lightning. Example, it's stormy, stay inside. Unless you want a free shower and a wild hairstyle. 9, foggy. Foggy means there is a thick mist in the air and you can't see far. Example, it's foggy this morning. Like walking through a cloud, but wetter. 10, warm. Warm means it's a little hot, but comfortable and pleasant. Example, it's warm and nice outside. Perfect weather for a walk or a nap in the garden.
So, my friends, those are your 10 easy weather words. They're simple, but super useful for everyday conversations. And hey, next time someone asks, "How's the weather?" you'll know exactly what to say. Okay, my friends, let me tell you about the weather in my town this week. On Monday, it was sunny and warm. I went for a long walk in the park and had an ice cream. On Tuesday, things changed. It was rainy all day. I stayed inside, made tea, and read a book. Then on Wednesday, it was windy. My hair was everywhere. I looked like a rock star. Yesterday, Thursday, it was cloudy but hot. I thought it might rain, but it didn't. And today, it's stormy. I can hear the rain and thunder while I'm talking to you now. So yes, the weather here changes almost every day. One day I need sunglasses. The next day I need an umbrella. And sometimes I need both at the same time. All right, my friends, now it's your turn. I want you to think about the weather in your city or country this week. What was it like? Was it sunny, rainy, windy? Maybe all of them. Try to make 2 or 3 sentences in English, just like I did in my story. You can even write your sentences in the comments so I can read them. It's a great way to practice, and you might make new friends from around the world. Remember, Every time you talk about the weather, you're practicing real English for real life. So, keep speaking, keep learning, and soon you'll talk about the weather like a native speaker, and maybe even make a joke about it too. See you next time, my friends. And until then, may your days be sunny and your umbrellas stay dry.